welcome to my channel. So here is a line that's going to go for 5 units, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a 20 unit towards the top direction. I'm going to zoom out a little bit by moving my cursor on the mouse. So I zoom out a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a 5 unit. I'm going to go do 2, going down, 2, 4, 2, and I'm going to do another 2. I'm going to go ahead and do a 4. Go ahead and do another 4. And I'm going to go ahead this way, do another 4 instead of 8. So that way I have half of it. I press escape, exit the command, press line again, go back to the command, and I'm going to start at the bottom of my drawing. I'm going to draw for 2 units towards the top direction, 2 units again, 4 units, 2 units, 2 units, 4, 4, and I'm going to go ahead and do another 4. Escape. I could just mirror this once towards the bottom and once towards the right, and then again another once towards the right. I decided to just do top and bottom and just mirror it once. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on mirror object mirroring command again in my modify toolbar. Select the whole thing, and I'm gonna make sure everything is highlighted blue. Then I'm gonna click enter. I'm gonna choose my first point here and my second point here. And no, I do not want to erase the source object. And there we have it. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video.